Hi Vikings, it's Coach E and I'm back at school today, and for this week our goal is to demonstrate a skip, a gallop, and a side slide. And so first what we're going to do is I'm going to show you some pictures of what they look like and I'm going to explain them, and then we're going to do our handy dandy little build your pyramid with our cups as we practice, kind of like how we did in walk, jog, and run. So the first one we're going to take a look at is a skip. So here's a picture of a skip, and the way that we explain a skip is step and hop. Can you guys say step and hop? Good job. Okay, the next one we're going to talk about is a gallop. So a gallop looks like this. And it's hard to kind of tell what that would look like because she's not moving in the picture, but I will demonstrate that in just a little bit. So a gallop is explained as 1 foot forward, doesn't matter which foot you have in the front, and your back foot is going to follow and stay behind the heel of the front foot, kind of like galloping like a horse does. Okay? So that one, again, is one of our trickier ones, but you're going to get pretty good at practicing that one. Okay, and our last one that I want to show you a picture of is called a side slide. So in a side slide, your body is sideways, and what you're going to do with your feet is we say step and close. So you lead with one foot and your other foot's going to close, kind of like a shuffle like in basketball. So we're going to do our building our pyramid, and I'm going to start with my cups, and I'm going to build a pyramid right there in the center of the gym in the circle. And so I'm going to go skip, gallop, side slide in that order. Okay, we ready, Vikings? Okay, I'm going to grab my cups. All right, here they are. So I'm going to start with skip first. Got my first cup. Here Coach goes, skip, step, and hop. Okay, next cup is a gallop. You're right. 1 foot forward, back foot follows. Here we go. Okay, last cup is a side slide. So I'm going to start sideways, and I'm going to step and close. Okay, did you notice how my feet shuffled? Okay, now we're back to the beginning. What was the first one? Skipping, you're right. Here we go, skip. Step and hop, step and hop. Next one, gallop, yay. 1 foot forward, back foot follows. And last one to build my pyramid is side slide. Here we go. Yay! I did it! There's my pyramid, and I demonstrated skip, gallop, side slide. Now it's your turn. So practice at home, upload your video, and I'll see you later, Vikings. Bye-bye.